Panchayat actor Pankaj Jha has made some bold statements about renowned filmmaker Anurag Kashyap. Stay tuned as we dive into the details and reveal why Pankaj Jha has labelled Kashyap as timid and spineless. In a recent turn of events, actor Pankaj Jha, known for his role in the popular series Panchayat, has publicly criticized filmmaker Anurag Kashyap. In an interview, Jha did not hold back his opinions, describing Kashyap in some unflattering terms. The remarks have sent shockwaves through the film industry and among fans. Pankaj Jha, who has been a part of the entertainment industry for several years, expressed his frustration with Anurag Kashyap's approach to filmmaking and his behavior in the industry. Anurag Kashyap is timid and spineless, Jha said, his voice filled with disdain. So, what led to such a strong statement from Jha? According to the actor, his experiences working with Kashyap left much to be desired. Jha mentioned specific incidents that fueled his sentiments. "I've seen him buckle under pressure and not stand up for what he believes in," Jha elaborated. Jha also criticized Kashyap's decisions in casting and project management, suggesting that the filmmaker often prioritized his personal interests over professional integrity. "He lacks the courage to take bold decisions and often hides behind safe choices," Jha remarked. This isn't the first time that Anurag Kashyap has faced criticism, but Jha's comments are particularly pointed and personal. There were times when he could have supported his colleagues, but he chose to remain silent, Jha revealed, hinting at Kashyap's reluctance to back his peers during challenging times. Anurag Kashyap, known for his gritty and unconventional films, has often been hailed as a revolutionary filmmaker in Bollywood. However, Jha's remarks cast a shadow over Kashyap's reputed boldness. His public persona is far removed from the reality. Behind the scenes, he's not the maverick he appears to be, Jha stated. Jha's critique extended to Kashyap's handling of actors and crew members. He accused Kashyap of being indifferent to their struggles and not providing the necessary support. As a director, it's his job to create a conducive environment, but he fails to do so, Jha added. Pankaj Jha's outburst has sparked a conversation within the industry. Supporters of Kashyap argue that his style is misunderstood, while others believe Jha's comments shed light on a darker side of the filmmaker's personality. "People need to know the truth about how he operates," Jha insisted. The controversy has left fans and industry insiders divided. Many are waiting to see if Anurag Kashyap will respond to these accusations. Kashyap, known for his outspoken nature, has yet to make a public statement regarding Jha's comments. Despite the criticism, Kashyap continues to be a significant figure in Bollywood, known for pushing boundaries with his films. Whether this controversy will affect his reputation remains to be seen. "It's about time someone called him out," Jha concluded. Pankaj Jha's exact words were, "Anurag Kashyap is timid and spineless. He lacks the courage to stand up for what he believes in and often hides behind safe choices." Jha's frustration highlights a broader conversation about the realities of working in the film industry and the challenges that actors face. "We need more honesty and integrity in this industry," Jha emphasized. As the dust settles, fans are left to ponder the implications of these revelations. Will this affect Kashyap's future projects? Will other actors step forward with similar experiences? Only time will tell. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive updates from the world of entertainment. Hit the bell icon to stay notified about our latest uploads. Until next time, keep the gossip alive and stay tuned for more.